Well, hello everybody. Welcome to AVID 3. I am just going to give you a little intro. Hopefully you watch this first and it'll help you with everything you need to know. So, to find this video, if you need to find it again, hopefully you click right here. It says start here. So tell your friends if they're confused. But this is the homepage. You'll click through the slideshow. It will take you to a little about me and then also some contact information you need to know. And I have all these links on this page are live, so you can click on Khan Academy, ACT, SAT, all of those are live, plus your syllabus is right there. You'll scroll down. Here is the bell schedule for online learning. This period is 8th period, which means you are expected to go live, begins virtually with the teacher at 10:10. I will start teaching about 10:15, so that'll give you plenty of time to make sure you get on there. We normally won't go till 11 o'clock, but this is the time that we could potentially go, from 10:15 to 11, and then you get a little break. But before that, you'll have work to do by yourself, which will already be on Canvas. And then down here are our live video expectations, which we'll go through when we get together on the first day. To find your assignments, everything's going to be in modules, so I suggest it's easiest to just follow through the modules. So 8/18 is our first day together, which is probably when you're listening to this. So you need to sign up for Sports U, is what we're using instead of Remind this year for AVID. And then you have 2 assignments. Super easy, super just get to know you. And then right here, it says August 18th, live Zoom at 10:15. We will go live. Here's a Zoom link. Okay, it's the first thing you do. If here's another help video for Canvas and Zoom. It talks more about this page, but everything you need is right here in the modules course. Okay, click on modules. You'll just follow this each day. Asynchronous, what you do by yourself. Synchronous is together. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask. I look forward to meeting you guys here soon.